Okay, so there's AC. Hi. Gosh. Okay, guys, right now, like, so that mom over there, but they got I was just trying to find something. One of my friends hit my air horn, and I stepped on it. But yeah, but yeah, so I'm gonna do a prank, but I'm gonna see. Like I was gonna blow this, but now mom just seen me. But so. But now I just freaking, yeah, but welcome back, guys. So I think I might just do this as a different video. But my last video I made, that was a long time ago. I hadn't made a video for a while. So I think I might be making videos some more time often, but I haven't got a camera. I don't even have a computer. I don't even know how to do all that stuff. So I'm gonna be learning how to do all this stuff. And soon I'll learn how to do all of it. But look at, see, I don't know if you guys can see that. There's some right over there. So I was aiming at the bush. Scratching my nose. So what I'm gonna do? So that girl was just looking at me like, giving me an oddly weird look. Oh god, so much mosquitoes. But yeah, she was giving me a really, she was giving me a really freaking, I was gonna blow my air horn, but I guess I can now. But, so, well, yeah, it's too late now. But, oh crap. So what I'm gonna do, like, I'm gonna cross the street, I'm gonna like, cross it, I'm gonna be like this to stop. So I'm gonna wait for a car to come, and then I'm gonna blow and be like, that's not funny. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna act like I'm texting somebody. Pop. I'm gonna freaking blow this one as loud as I can. Yeah, so, oh, sorry. My elbow is just, God. But for my cousin's over, she's inside making it, because today's my cousin's birthday, and I think they should be celebrating it. I don't know, but I'm gonna ask my aunt if they're gonna be celebrating, but I might bring this as like a little vlog. So yeah, this is my second video, guys. In that last video, that freaking guy ding dong his house, and he freaking yelled at me like, what the freak? Like, what the freak did? Like, totally freaking stop yelling at me. But, I'm gonna, oh no, I don't want to do this in UPS. Well, I'm really itching right now. Crap, I want to do. since this truck's coming. Oh, we're crossing! Oh. Whew. Okay, so scare that guy. Oh my god, that actually freaking scared me at first. Shoot, I'm gonna cross right now. Under the car. Yeah. Anyways, but my thing of video. I honked this dude. This is the thing. I'm saving this dude. For like in the middle of the night, dude. Someone like. It's better to do this with teens because teens will start laughing. But if we did it with an all like freaking like people that are not even like freaking like not in their teens, never freaking do that. Come on, I was a teenager. Shit, don't it? So, okay. But the only way I could tell by a teen is they got like crappy cars, and by the way, I got new glasses. I had glasses, but my other one's broke. So I'm gonna go put this up, and I'm just gonna go walk around talking, and yeah. Okay. Hi. Huh? Huh? No, it's just an air horn. How'd you go? Oh, I bought one.
Let's hear it.
Huh?
Let's hear it.
Okay, second. It's loud. Everybody, someone almost called the cops on me because I accidentally did it. I didn't know the button was right here, and someone almost called the cops on me. I didn't know where the button was. Oh, well, it's pretty loud. It sounds like a diesel. It's really loud. Sorry, guys. That was my neighbors. They play late like me, but go inside. Just put this thing inside. Now we gotta go. Okay, let's go. Okay. Okay, one second. Right there. Paper mosquitoes so much. And you know what I did? I was crossing the street and I honked the horn and this guy got so scared he jumped out of his seat. I honked it and he got so scared he was talking on the phone. Okay, I'm gonna go back outside. Okay, so. Bye. Okay, so anyway, let's continue. Well, oh my god, like I got bit by so many mosquitoes. Like, speaking, I don't know if you guys can see it, like that little white spot right there. And I think I got one on my elbow somewhere. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like right. I don't know if you guys can see it, but okay. But it itches really bad. But anyways, yeah. So so let me show you the house, that one house that I did. But you guys can request me which video to do. You guys can ask me, comment on my video, what videos to do, and then I'll do them. Well, yeah, I'll do them. Just tell me which videos to do, and freaking yeah. But just tell me which videos to do. See, it's like it. Remember, guys, you guys remember the street, and you guys remember not that, that truck right there. Yeah, that's the truck I hit by. Did that guy's house hit by that truck right there? Okay, it's so freaking bright, like that white truck. But get on the sidewalk. Okay. Dude, I freaking like got bit everywhere. Dude, like you guys see. So you guys see this bumper? See that? Compare. Oh, is this zoomed in? Okay. Compare that bump right there. This. You guys don't see no bump. Well, that's just my elbow. That bump, but right here, right there, that's mosquito bites. Oh, sorry. Oh, I can't hold my freaking camera like this. I have to hold it like this now. Because when I hold it like this, it's like freaking all sideways. And yeah. But they're building a house right there. Oh crap, my freaking camera. Focus. 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 Yeah, anyways, this is a vlog. And so I'm gonna tell you guys about my favorite YouTubers. My favorite YouTubers are let's see, so there's FaZe Rug, there's Rice Gum, I forgot his name. There's Broadus and I don't know what else. I think that's it. I think I have more. Oh no, Roman Atwood. I need to check my subscription list. You know what? I'm gonna go back this way. But yeah, so I bought the freaking. Oh crap! Dude, I'm freaking itching bad. Well, that air horn, I bought it. I forgot when. Like, oh yeah, I think it was like 3 days ago. Yeah, I think 3 days ago. I bought it. It's really freaking loud. Sorry guys, I got freaking bit by so much mosquitoes. So much mosquitoes, but let me tell you guys my freaking one dream to accomplish. My one dream to accomplish is meeting freaking Rug, my homie Rug. I call him my homie. And I'll have my Snapchat link down below in my Musical.ly. Yeah, I'll leave it down below for the link. I'll tell you what it is. And but yeah, sorry, it's like been 12 minutes of this video. But yeah, so I was gonna scare those kids. Oh crap, I got a mosquito bite on my shoulder. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys. I don't know if I showed you guys the back on my freaking case, but like, I don't know if I showed you guys the back yet. But it's like really freaking ugly. Well, no, what am I saying? Why am I saying ugly? Like, okay, sorry. I'm freaking getting confused. My second video. Grandma's out right there. So, okay. She's out right now. She's out. She's right there. So. That's my grandma. Okay, but doing this for my YouTube channel. Let me pause this real quick. Sorry guys, I'm almost done this video here. I know this is short, it's like a 13-minute video, but I hope you guys enjoyed. I will put my Instagram down below in my Musical.ly, my Twitter, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.